been a few weeks since I did a video. I am not doing anything interesting on this at all. I'm just doing a little radiator flush before the big trip. I got rid of that annoying tick. It was in one of the accessories. Can't really hear it at all now. But it was in the power steering pump. Minor adjustments with a hammer fixed it. Pretty much ready to go. I'm going to skip a couple of the accessories I had last time. I had a little 12 volt DC, well, not little, a large 12 volt DC cooler in here that really just didn't fit as much sodas as I would like to. So I may forego that. I also had a power bank in here before, and I don't think I'm going to bother with that again this year. It didn't keep the fridge on all night long, which it definitely should have. I think I'm going to go with an old school cooler, and then we'll just stop and get ice once a day. Won't be that big of a deal. We have to get gas anyway. Sodas are cold at the gas stations. In the grand scheme of things, we're not saving a ton of money by bringing our own sodas and beer. We can have a soda and beer run at the end of the day. Get to explore truck stops, which is part of the fun. She's sounding good. I'm only doing the radiator flush because I really want to see if I can get the engine to run a little cooler. She was running at an average of 210 for most of Power Tour last year, and I thought that was too high. I don't know how accurate the gauge is. It's a real crappy aftermarket gauge that I've kind of rammed into the hood trim there. So I've had her running for 5 minutes. And what do we got here? See that? Doesn't look like I can get to the top of the thermostat housing without taking the AC off, which is more than I want to do. So I'll bring the new thermostat with me, and if it really overheats on the road, I'll replace it. I'm not convinced it's a bad thermostat. I'm not convinced that it's running hot. I'm concerned it is, but the wise sages of the internet say the 440s ran hot anyway, so I may be chasing a ghost. So that's it. I'm not really doing much to her today. Figured I'd get something out on the channel. Maybe next year I'll visit all the little trim holes. I'm getting better at welding, but I don't even want to try paint. So if I weld those up, I have to grind them down, and then I have to paint it. The whole thing needs a paint job anyway, so maybe I'll do that. Then I'll go with something other than the 440 stripes next. I like them, but I'll ruin them if I repair those little holes, because they're all the way down everywhere the trim was. Yeah, got a couple more weeks to the trip, and I think I've got it wrapped up. I'm a little concerned about starting other projects because I may cause more harm than I fix things. I did finally take this door apart again and mostly fix this mirror. That thing was flapping around on the trip last year. Yeah, but after this radiator flush is done, I'll take her out for another test drive. Sun's starting to come out here in Colorado. We had a kind of a overcast, rainy morning today. But, yeah, that's the status on the old girl. All right, this is a short one. Thank you all. Bye.